today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys egg yolk and honey face masks that can brighten your skin and give you a baby soft skin. If you want to look younger, if you want to get flawless skin, this video is for you. Watch this video to the end using natural ingredients you can find in your kitchen. This recipe is 100% natural. So guys, let's get straight to the video. So the first thing we need is egg yolk. So in a bowl, so this is the egg yolk. You put it in a bowl, then the next thing you mix it. So this is the egg yolk, you mix it. We need honey. You need original honey. So guys, this is the honey. Let me show you guys. So you add a teaspoon of honey, then you mix it. You mix it. So the next thing you need is turmeric. So this is turmeric powder. You have 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Then you mix it. The next thing is, this is rose water. You just add half teaspoon of rose water. So you mix it. So now, this is how to apply it on your face. You apply it on your face. So guys, after applying it on your skin, you leave it for 20 minutes. Then you wash it off with warm water. After washing it off, you moisturize your skin. Your face will glow. And this recipe, to get a better result, you have to apply it 3 times in a week until you get your perfect result. So this is end of this video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. See you guys in my next video. Bye.